Axis of ox, it is second cervical and longest vertebrae. The anterior end of the body presents odontoid process for the articulation with atlas, and the cranial articular process are absent. Caudal articular process are well developed, but cranial articular process are absent. The spine is large and summit is narrow. Its summit is narrow in front and thick behind, and this is for the attachment of lamellar portion of ligamentum nuchi. The transverse process are small, undivided, and projects backward. Transverse process are small, undivided, and projects backward. The foramen transversarium, this is foramen transversarium, is in the form of an osseous canal and has anterior and posterior opening. ये foramen transversarium present in the root of transverse process and anterior and posterior opening. The intervertebral foramen, this is intervertebral foramen, is just behind the pedicel and for the passage of second pair of spinal nerve. Now the axis of horse. This is axis of horse. The body is more longer. In axis of horse, the body is more longer and transverse process are thinner. Odontoid process is longer and narrow. This is odontoid process, longer and narrow. And the spine is more massive and divided posteriorly into two ridges. The spine is more massive and divided posteriorly into two ridges. These two are posterior articular process, but the spine is divided into two ridges, but in horse, but not divided in ox. Now in axis of dog, the odontoid process is rounded, longer, and reaches up to the occipital bone. Odontoid process is rounded, longer, and reaches up to the occipital bone. The spine is more massive. Spine is more massive and longer. Spine is more massive and longer, and it overhangs on the dorsal arch of atlas. Spine overhangs on the dorsal arch of atlas.